Hello guys, this is Abhijit and welcome to another brand new unboxing and review video on this channel. And today in this video we're going to review Tenda F6, which is a N300 Wi-Fi router. So guys, let's unbox it and find out what's inside. This Wi-Fi router has 4 5 dBi Wi-Fi antenna, which gives little bit better range and performance over single, double or triple omnidirectional Wi-Fi antenna router. Also, this router can be used as a Wi-Fi repeater to repeat and extend your Wi-Fi range. After opening the box, we get some paper rocks and manual quick installation guide, and the router is inside a milky white plastic wrapper. Let's remove the plastic, and here is the white Tenda F6 router. Its body made out of white plastic, but the build quality is pretty solid and good. And on the back side we have little bit information about router serial number, SSID, MAC address. Also there are 2 mounting holes for wall mount. And on the back we have a WAN port. It's a 100 Mbps WAN port and 3 100 Mbps LAN port with a reset button. Also we get a meter long LAN cable to configure the router or connecting with other devices. And this is the power adapter to power the router. It's 9 volt 600 milliampere power adapter. So let's power the router on. Now the router is connected to the internet, and here is my phone. I already opened a speed test and my phone is connected to this Tenda Wi-Fi router. So let's give a speed test. I have only 60 Mbps, so it will give maximum 60 Mbps speed. So I'm getting near about 60, 50, 62. Download speed 60.9, upload speed is around 45. Now I'll go a little further, maybe on all. So now after on all, signal is a little bit drop. It's around minus 50 dBm. So getting similar speed, 62 Mbps. Upload speed little bit dropped. Okay, now similar. So after on all, the download speed is 62.4 Mbps and upload speed is 49 Mbps. So after on all, there is no difference between speed. Now I'm going near about 3 volts. So after 3 volts, the signal strength is near about minus 70 dB. And let's do the speed test. Okay, so download speed here around 6 Mbps and upload speed is around 3-4 Mbps. So guys, this is a little review of this Tenda F6 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router. The price of this router is around 1200 Indian rupees. If you convert, it's around 15 USD. This Tenda F6 has a pretty good range. I have a 1200 square feet house. If I put this router middle of my house, it can easily cover every corner of my house. My personal all-time favorite 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router is this TP-Link TL8411. I'm using this router for last 4-5 years and the performance is awesome. Now compared to this, this F6 has little bit better range over this TP-Link router, but it's 300-400 rupees expensive. So if you guys are looking for a cheap Wi-Fi router around 1500 rupees, around 20 USD, you can check TP-Link C20, which is around 1500 rupees. Less than that, if you are looking for a 2.4 GHz, you guys also can check this Tenda F6 router. I will leave all of this link in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure you guys mark a big thumbs up on this video. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. And on this corona pandemic, be safe, stay at home. That being said, my name is Abhijit Roy. I'm signing out and meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.